Assalamu alaikum and a lovely morning to all of my sweet and cute students and whoever is watching this video. Assalamu alaikum. And this is a new day, this is a new lesson, a new lecture, and again, we are all in front of each other. So I hope you're feeling happy and energetic. That's great. And you must have started your day with gratitude. Alhamdulillah, we have everything. Alhamdulillah, we are healthy. Alhamdulillah, we are happy. Alhamdulillah, we have all the family members, which are all of them are healthy, happy, and they're all for us, right? And make your day beautiful by just saying Alhamdulillah. Okay, that's great. So we are grateful for so many things, and we can observe and enjoy that there are like many different things. Every single minute, something is happening, and we can observe that. We can observe nature. We can observe ourselves. We can observe animals, we can observe trees and plants, and there is so much to observe and see how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this world so beautiful, right? Okay, so as you know that we are learning about seed, right? Yeah, so we are learning about seeds. And remember, I showed you the sleeping seed, which was not yet awake. It was like this, if you remember, right? And then what we did, we took a pan and we put some cotton in that, and we put some seed and we water that, and we put them in the sunlight. Yeah, remember that what does a seed needs to grow? It needs water, it needs soil, nutrients, then it needs air, and it needs sunlight. Yes. So there are a couple of things which a seed needs to grow, right? It's the same as we even need nutrition to grow. We need air to inhale, to breathe, and we need sunlight even, right? We also need all of these things to grow. So we put that in a pot and we did an experiment, and the seed, which was like this before, when we put it in a pan and we water it and then we put it in the sunlight, it started to grow, right? So I am just going to show you the different stages. First of all, I'm going to share a picture with you, right? So now this is the picture, right? Now can you see the first left is a seed which is not yet awake. It is sleeping. Then it opens up a little, then a little more, and a little more, right? Now look at this picture carefully, and I am going to show you the experiment which I did, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to show you a couple of more in the same way, right? So this is the first one. Then when I put it in the water, it opened up, right? Now just have a look at this. The outer shell started to dry. This is the outer shell, which you can see it started to dry, right? And can you see there is the first leaf inside, it is coming out, right? Can you see that? Okay, now have a look at this. Now here, can you see? The pod is open, the seed is open over here. See, it is open. Have a look at this. See, this has opened. And remember, there was an embryo and the first leaf inside it. See, so the first leaf is here. This is the first leaf inside the pod. So I just open it. I'm just going to open it and show it to you that this is the first leaf. See? Yeah. So the seed is awake and this is the first leaf. Okay. And now look here. Now the first leaf has come out from the seed. See? This is the first leaf which has come out. We can even open up the seed to show you clearly. Now have a look at this. Look at this. See? From inside the seed, this has come out. This is the first leaf which has come out, and this is the embryo which has come out, right? Now, there are the two things. The seed took the nutrition. There was inside stored food, and then it's got water, sunlight, and air, and it started to grow. Now, can you see this clearly? These leaves, yeah, right? And then what happened is, now how look at this. Now they have come out. Yeah, see? They have come out of the seed. Amazing, right? They have come out of the seed. The leaves have come out of the seed, and the embryo has gone down, right? The leaf comes out and the embryo, this goes down to make the root. Excuse me. This is going to make the shoot, and this is going to make the root. Amazing, right? And then this. Now this is what you get. Amazing. Now this is the seed from which the embryo, first of all, the leaves come out. These are the first leaves. When they took the stored food, they eat the stored food, they get the sunlight, they get the water, the air, and they have come out to make the plant. And the embryo that goes down, and see, it has made small roots. Can you see these roots? Yes, these are the roots which holds the plant. See, the small roots, they hold the plant. Now, this way, the plant will go up. Now, this portion is going to make the shoot. It will grow, and this is going to go under the ground. This is going to hold the plant. This is going to take the nutrition from the soil, the water, the nutrition, and this part is going to take air from the environment and the sunlight, and this will grow and grow. This will grow, this will give us flowers, this will give us fruits, and then from the fruits, we are going to get the seeds again, right? Yes, we are going to get the seeds again. So isn't this amazing that we had just a seed which we can eat even, but we did not eat, and we put it in the soil or on the cotton, and then now look at this seed, how beautifully this has come out. See, now the outer shell is gone. You can see the green thing over here. Can you see? Just yes, this, the green thing. See, now the outer cover is dried up, right? Now this is the green one. From that, the leaves have come out, and then the embryo gets down and made these beautiful, beautiful roots. Yeah, amazing. This is so amazing. Excuse me. This is how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made all these things for us. Now, if you're going to put a mango seed inside the soil, you will get a mango plant. If you're going to put guava seed in the soil, you will get guava plants. You will get guava fruit, right? And if you are going to put any seed of the same fruit, you will get exactly the same fruit, right? So I have put the kidney beans and I got a plant of a kidney bean. Now this is going to give me kidney beans only. This is not going to give me mangoes. This is not going to give me oranges, right? So you should do an experiment. Put a seed in the soil and then just observe how this comes out, how the seed wakes up. The seed is going to wake up after you put it in the soil and put some water, and then this is the way this will come out of the soil, but this part will go down the soil. So this is so amazing. This is so good. You're going to observe and you will see how the nature works for us. How do we get all these things? You can even plant vegetables. This is the right time to plant the vegetables. Now the spring is all around, the spring is here. This is the very right time for you to plant any seed. You can take like small pots, and with the help of maybe your gardener, maybe your elders, your parents, you take the seeds from the market. You can even get them from the market, and you can use the seeds from, like, you can take it from your home, and then you can plant them in different pots, and you can see that they don't have the same. Their baby leaf will be almost the same, like this, the baby leaf, but when they will grow up, they will have different kind of leaves. Maybe the texture will be a little different. The color, the green color will be a little different. Some will be a little more green, some will be a light green, some shapes will be different, some will be long, some will be broad. So you are going to observe that and you are going to enjoy that. Yeah, you are going to have fun of your life. So this is the right time. This is the first week of March, right time to plant many vegetables, maybe eggplants, maybe tomatoes. Yeah, you can even grow them out of the seeds. Okay, so this you're going to do, and I am going to just give you an activity to do that at home, and then in our next class we are going to see that how many seeds you have collected, right? I'm going to show you a picture right now in which I'm going to tell you that how you're going to collect the seeds and how you're going to put it on some paper to show it, to share it with all of us, right? So I'm just going to share that with you. Okay, now you're just going to have a look at this picture carefully, right? Okay, can you see this? I'm going to explain this picture to you, right? Now look at this. There are a couple of fruits they have shown, right? Vegetables. Now on your left side, the first one is tomato, right? So what you can do is to make a tomato, or maybe you can draw it, you can paint it, or you can cut a piece of paper and you can put it to tell that this is tomato. And then can you see there are like small seeds on it? I'll just zoom it for you so you can just have a look at this, right? Now, can you look at this? Now, this is the tomato, and there are like small tomato seeds on it. Can you see? Okay, now look at this. This is capsicum, right? This is capsicum. And now by showing that this is a capsicum seed, they have put a green piece on that. Or maybe you can just draw it and collect the capsicum seeds and put it on the picture, right? And then now look at this, grapes. You can make green grapes, you can make red grapes, you can make purple grapes, and you can, when you're eating the grapes, you're not going to eat the seeds. You're going to collect the seeds and you're going to put it on the, yes, paper. So this shows that these are the grape seeds. Okay, now here you can take an orange seeds, and you can just take an orange paper to show that this is an orange and this is an orange seed, and this is pear. This is a pear, and these are the pear seed, and then the apple seed, right? So whatever food you're going to eat, what you can do is you just collect the seeds, different types of seeds, put them in different uh, pots or maybe somewhere, and then you draw a fruit and then put the same seeds on that fruit. If it's orange seeds, you're going to put the orange seeds on that. If the grape seed, you can take out grape seed. You can have apple seeds, right? So now whenever you're eating any fruit, you have to look for the seeds, right? And you can put it on that. And do experiment to grow the seeds. Take the seeds from the market. This is the very right time to grow. You're going to observe, you're going to enjoy, and at the end, you will enjoy the fruit and the vegetables, right? Okay, that is so amazing. So this was our science class today, and we have learned that how the seeds grow differently. There are different stages when they're growing, and this is amazing to observe all the different stages of the seeds, right? Now, you have two homeworks, two activities. One is you have to collect the seeds, and the other is you have to take the seeds from the market and you have to plant it, right? And you're going to enjoy both of the activities. And we will share these activities in the next class, right? Okay, so this was our science class today, and I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for everything. Okay, so I'm going to see you soon. Till then, bye bye. See you soon.